Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to find a Teams meeting ID. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Teams app from it. Then you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Teams if you haven't of course already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the left side of the screen we have the activity, community, chat, we have the calendar. In the bottom left corner, we have the invite to Teams, and in the top side of the screen, we have the search bar. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and find a Teams meeting ID. So first of all, launch the Teams app on your desktop or web browser. After you have launched it, you need to click on the calendar icon in the left sidebar. So we have it here as we talked about earlier. Here, click on the calendar. Find and click on meeting on which you want to go get ID. So you'll have your meetings here. I don't have any at the moment, but be sure when you have one, it will stay here. Click on the meeting to open its details. In the meeting details, you'll see the meeting ID and the passcode. Then, of course, you just need to go and see when you see the passcode and everything, you can, of course, easily then join the actual meeting, of course, and set up your microphone, camera, and everything. So, guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that'll be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.